Yeah, well, I've been in Welsh Government since 1996, and I've worked in a variety of roles. My last job was helping to manage our Welsh Government intranet site. I worked there from 2008 to 2020. So that's where I got my first taste of user research, and since then I moved across to the Welsh Government User Research Lab. And I've been in post there since June 2020. So I'm doing a lot of user research around digital projects at the moment. I'm trying to scope out a online tool for us to purchase that'll help us assist with that. The course had a holistic sort of wraparound approach to user research and covered many different types of user research, like practices and testing. So that was quite appealing for me, as because I've been quite new to the field. It was quite overwhelming to get my head around a lot of different testing styles. And another big factor was that the course was being run by Dave Travis, who I'm quite a big fan of. I've followed him for a long time via his YouTube channel, the UXT Break. I found this new job a real struggle, and I took some time off in July last year due to the stress and anxiety. And I have to say that attending this course was the biggest single factor in helping reduce my stress and anxiety and improve my confidence. Um, I've been able to take away the fear of starting on new pieces of work and new types of testing. I regularly refer back to the slides and recording from the training course as a backup when I'm stuck on a piece of work or I felt indecisive about making decisions. It's just made me a lot more professional in the way that I plan and run user research projects. One of the things from the training course that was really useful was that we actually did a live usability study. This was brilliant for me because I'd done a few before, but I wasn't entirely sure whether I was doing them in the right way. And this live, so to speak, usability testing we did confirmed that. It was brilliant. It was just something that backed up the work that I did and just gave me more confidence in what I was doing. I feel that this type of training and this sort of way of working when it comes to user research needs to be promoted a lot more, probably from senior managers and corporate communication teams. I would even say this type of training needs to be mandatory for anyone involved in user research. I think it's that important that people really get a proper grasp of this type of work because you can do user research wrong. Some people think, well, some user research is better than no user research, and I actually think, no, no, no. Some user research, if you're doing it right, is better than no user research. But some user research, if you're doing it is wrong, you're better off not doing any. For anyone looking to attend this course, I would 100% recommend it. It's the best course I've ever attended in my 26 years working in Welsh Government. I'm pretty sure they won't regret it. It changed my life. If they're struggling with working in the user research field, this could just transform their mindset. And also, it'd be a great refresher for anyone who already feels knowledgeable in this area.